In this video, I will bring you to a restaurant of culinary perfection in the art of Japanese cuisine. They have an extensive selection of sushi, sashimi, and seafood variety exclusively from Tokyo's Toyosu Fish Market. And many more, so please watch this video. Please don't forget to share and subscribe my channel. Thank you. Wonderful people of the universe! Welcome to my channel. Dito na po tayo sa loob ng lobby ng VIP entrance ng Soler Resort and Casino. At dadaling ko po kayo sa sinasabi kong Japanese restaurant. At makikita nyo rin po kung paano nila gawin ang wasabi. From the VIP entrance, you just walk straight to this hallway. And makikita nyo po itong Japanese restaurant at the right side, Yakumi. Before you come, make sure po that you make a reservation. And for lunch, they are open from 11:30 a.m. to 2:30 p.m. And for dinner, it is 5 o'clock p.m. to 11 o'clock p.m. Ang ganda.
Yung mga dahon niya ang totoo din po.
Ah, talaga?
Pero yung mismong tree, ma'am, parang ano na po siya. Parang petrified na po yung tree.
Ah, talaga? Totoo
Ito
ano
lang po yung
to?
pinapalitan mga dahon-dahon.
Oo. Ito siya. Drinking plays an important role in Japanese society. Drinking parties typically held at restaurants are common activity that are used to strengthen both social and business ties. A large variety of alcoholic drinks can be found in Japan. Some of the popular ones are sake and shochu. The rice wine, commonly called sake outside Japan, is brewed using rice water and koji malt as the main ingredients. The alcohol content is about 10 to 20% and it is drunk either hot or cold. Take note that sake is also the general Japanese term for alcohol. Shochu is a distilled spirit with an alcohol content of 20 to 40%. It is commonly made from rice, sweet potatoes, or sugar cane. It is usually served mixed with water and ice, fruit juice and sparkling water, or oolong tea. Sake classification influences the taste and price of the rice wine. This can be divided into two main categories, the premium and the table sake. There are 6 main classes of premium sake. The classification are based on 2 major things. First, the amount the rice grains are polished, and second, if there is any added distilled alcohol or if it is made purely from rice water, fungus, and yeast. Shochu is drunk in many ways according to season or personal taste. 1 is neat or on its own with nothing added. 2 on the rocks that is mixed with ice. 3rd dilute with room temperature water or hot water. 4th is mixed with oolong tea or fruit juice. 5th as a mixed drink consisting of soda, ice and some flavoring, often lemon, grapefruit or apple. Lastly, mixed very cold with a beer flavored mixer known as happy. Okay, Nandito na po tayo. We are seated and waiting for our orders.
Ako maglalaro, pero ikaw tutong ka. Ay, Julian.
Yan, konting ayos-ayos ng hair while doing this video. Okay, our orders are soon to come. Nakaset na po ang ating plates and chopsticks. And we are about to serve now the first dish, which is the California MAKI.
Tayong oras ko, I will not waste my time.
Okay, now here's our second dish, the tori teriyaki or chicken teriyaki. Masarap. Next, we have this ebi tempura or shrimp tempura. Itong kanilang ebi tempura is masarap, but it's just like the same doon sa mga nakakain natin sa ibang Japanese restaurant. Pero yung kanilang tori teriyaki, wow, super sarap, juicy ang lambot ng chicken meat. Punta tayo dito sa kanilang counter where they have their raw materials or raw ingredients. At may napansin ako dito, tinanong ko sa kanila kung ano itong root. Ito pala ay wasabi root or Japanese horseradish. Ang kanilang mga ingredients na fresh. Some of them galing pa ng Japan. Etong horseradish,
Skin.
ating
Siya po yung pang-grade ng wasabi.
ang galing. Wow.
So ito po yung wasabi.
Thank you.
Welcome po. Opo.
Nakita niyo na kung paano gawin ang ating pungent condiment or manghang na wasabi for sushi and other foods.
Opo. Alcohol. Green tea.
Green tea.
Opo.
We are now waiting for our dessert, which are ice cream scoop.
Sesame ice cream.
Ayun, okay din yun.
Matcha, avocado, and sweet corn ice. Wow, ang sarap tingnan nitong kanilang mga seafoods. Ayan, variety of seafoods collection that they can use to prepare for our food. Kung ano man ang ating mapili sa kanilang menu.
Ay. Oh, ano yan? Oo, take out natin.